Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad Sangma, has informed on Wednesday that the second round of border talks for resolving the remaining 6 areas of difference with Assam will be held next month. Sangma told the Assembly that the regional committees have been reconstituted 3 days ago. The 2 Deputy Chief Ministers, Preston Tinsong and Snoivalangdar, will head the regional committees for Riboi District and West Jainta Hills District respectively, while Cabinet Minister Paul Lingdo will be the chairman of the regional committee for West Khasi Hills District. While replying to a special motion moved by opposition Congress legislator Charles Mangar on the need to discuss the second phase of interstate boundary settlement and the need of reviewing the MOU signed between the 2 chief ministers, the chief minister stated the first round of talks will be initiated in April. He also said that the government will ask the regional committees to have a detailed discussion with all stakeholders to really understand the points and concerns of the people living in the border areas. He further asserted that negotiation can never be from a point of position and said that it was not a deal. They were not trying to deal as they were trying to find a solution. The approach has to be thought of very well. He assured the House that they were not going to rush and to compromise but to ensure that they are consistent in their approach, keeping the larger interest of the people.